Running a high-volume contact center can feel like standing on a busy highway. Customer requests pour in, and without absolute control, it's pure chaos. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to monitor your floor's workload, rescue struggling agents in real time, and route complex cases to experts. Let's start with the basics. To follow along, you need to be logged into Salesforce Lightning Experience, and you must have the Omni Supervisor app configured and open on your stream. We will also use a specific routing technique in our final step. To use it, skills-based routing must be enabled in your organization's settings. With these tools in place, you stop reacting to escalations and start neutralizing bottlenecks before your customers ever notice a delay. Your first stop for floor-wide visibility is the Wallboard tab. This provides a real-time snapshot of how your entire contact center is handling its current workload. To narrow this view, open the drop-down menu in the top right corner. You can filter the data to isolate specific queues or specific skills. These charts update instantly based on your filters. You can see your agent capacity status, which tracks who is available or busy, right next to your work item status. Pay close attention to the waiting metric in that work item status panel. If that number climbs, work is backing up in the backlog, and you have a bottleneck forming. Monitoring these metrics consistently allows you to spot backups early and reallocate your agents to keep customer wait times low. When you need to look past the floor averages and check on individual people, navigate to the Agents tab and select the All Agents subtab. This chart shows exactly how much work each agent is handling. The capacity column uses a traffic light system of green, yellow, and red battery icons to display their current workload percentage. When an agent reaches that red 100% threshold, their primary capacity is full. From that point on, the system will only route them highly specific, small interruptible work, so they are not overwhelmed. Keep in mind, your exact view here depends on your organization's setup. If you only use queue-based routing, you will not see a skills backlog tab or a skills column. Tracking these individual capacities in real time protects your team from burnout and ensures incoming work is distributed fairly across the floor. If you spot an agent whose metrics look unusual, you can drill down into their performance by clicking their name from the All Agents list. This opens the Agent Detail view. Under the Current Work tab, you can track exactly how long each item has been open by checking the Handle Time column. Next is the Agent Timeline, a calendar tracking every status change throughout their shift. Crucially, these blocks represent the omni-channel agent work status. They track the agent's personal capacity and state, not the underlying case record itself. Reviewing this timeline helps you pinpoint exactly where an agent is getting stuck, making it easy to identify specific workflow inefficiencies or areas where they might need extra training. You do not always have to dig through timelines to find someone struggling. The flag column on the All Agents tab serves as an immediate early warning system. A flag appears when an agent manually raises a distress signal, or if conversation intelligence detects a restricted phrase and triggers an automated alert. Click a raised flag to preview the agent's message, then click Monitor to step in. In the right side monitor window, type a private whisper message to guide the agent invisibly. When resolved, simply click Lower Flag. This whisper function turns you into an active, invisible lifeline, allowing your team to handle difficult interactions with confidence. Sometimes, an agent receives a case that requires specialized expertise they do not possess. When that happens, the work item needs to be transferred. To reroute the case, the agent simply clicks the transfer icon directly on the active work item to open the transfer dialog. Be aware of a system limitation here. If your organization is using enhanced omni-channel, that transfer icon will not appear on the interface. Inside the transfer dialog, the agent can search for and stack multiple requirements. For instance, they can select billing and Spanish to narrow the pool down to an expert who matches both criteria. If no bilingual billing expert is currently online, the system automatically routes the item into the Skills Backlog tab, where it waits until the right person logs in. By monitoring Wallboard analytics, tracking agent capacity, performing live interventions, and utilizing skills-based routing, you now have complete real-time command over your contact center. For more ways to customize your queues, be sure to review the official admin guides.